Hello everyone, in this video I'm reviewing the Dr. Dreadful Brain Juice Lab. Looks gross, tastes great. Take a look at the artwork on the box. Really cool, just like all the other ones. There's the side. Best by September 1997. Look at the back. Down here we have the Sweam Lab and the Living Lab. I had both of those as a kid as well. This was released by TYCO in 1994, along with a lot of the other Dr. Dreadful labs. This is like a mini lab. It's not as large as the food lab or drink lab. Also, I'd like to point out this is a used set. I couldn't find a new one, so I'm not sure how well this is going to turn out, but I'm going to do my best. Let me get everything out of the box. We'll get it assembled and get to making these potions. Okay, I'm on to assembly now. This is everything you get. Here's the instructions. That's what it's, hopefully what it's going to kind of look like when we get it all put together. One thing I noticed when I was looking over this kit, there's a part missing. It's a little clip that goes on here. So I'm not really sure how well this is going to work out, like I said earlier. Also, I only have enough ingredients for one use. One only. So if it messes up, there's really not much I can do. Alright, take a quick look at the directions here. The rubber tubing was already on here, so I don't have to see how it's coiled around here. So I don't have to do that. Okay, I'm going to put this on the base plate here. It's got some stickers on there. Push some of this stuff out of the way here. It has some pegs right here. And should... Alright, it's going to go like that. That little thing's supposed to sit in there. See how this test tube is kind of dangling? There's supposed to be a little clip there. Alright. Flip the directions over. Let me change the camera angle here a bit. Probably going to have to move out a bit too. Sorry for the shakiness. Alright. Next, we've got to put our flask stand together. It's this thing right here. It has 3 legs, and they just snap in pretty easily. Then you have this weird flask. Goes in there like that. You have a measuring spoon and a little measuring cup. And this plate goes in here, and the test tube kind of slides in there. Well, it's supposed to slide in there. Kind of like that. And then, one last thing, the tube goes in there like that. So, that's kind of the setup right here. Something like that. Alright, let me get the water and the supplies I need, and we'll get on to making the potion. Alright, I'm back. Our first step, we're going to have to fill the test tube with 7 milliliters of water. It's going to be about 3/4. We're going to use our little measuring cup for that. Let me get the water. Okay. Now, I have to turn it around here. Remove that. Here's our stopper. Set's kind of dirty. Whoever had this before, they didn't clean it all that well. Okay, adding the water. There we go. It's about 3/4. Alright, and we're also going to want to, just a quick thing before we put the test tube on, like after we add the powder, we're going to want to wet the stopper so we get a real good seal. Alright, we're going to add 1 spoon of bubbling blue powder to the test tube. We're going to shake it up. Here's the packet. It's seen better days. Take a smell. Smells like some sort of children's grape cough syrup stuff. I don't know. Okay. Oops. Now I'm going to shake it up real good. Okay, there we go. Make sure to put a little water on the stopper, like I said earlier. Smear some on there. Here we go. Okay. About as tight as I'm going to get it on there without tearing something up. Let's put the face plate back on here. Alright. Exciting, isn't it? Okay, step 3, fill the beaker. They're calling this a beaker, but it's more like a flask. Except for that weird part jutting out the bottom. Fill beaker with 45 milliliters of water. Well, sorry, I'm getting mixed up. Fill the beaker, which is the measuring cup, with 45 milliliters. Then pour that into the flask. My bad. 45 milliliters. It's about 1.5 ounces. Okay. Then we're going to place the beaker under here. Look, there's liquid already coming out. See it? Huh. Well, we better hurry up and get this show on the road if it's going to go ahead and do that. I don't think that's supposed to work like that. Put a little water on the stopper. Okay, this next part has got to be done kind of quick, and I'm running behind now. I wasn't expecting that, so this is going to be a one-shot deal. Get everything moved. Okay, these tablets, they're kind of like Alka-Seltzer tablets. So just supposed to foam and fizzle. So as soon as I get it in there, I have to shut it pretty quickly. All right. And here we go. Let's see what happens. Well, it's bubbling. I'm not seeing any. Let me shake it a little bit. It's supposed to be coming out through here and then going through there. Well, this might end up being a fail. But one thing I have to remember, I'm surprised I'm getting a fizzing action to begin with, because the chemicals, you know, like in the stuff, are old. So, looks like, well, I might have to hold it up or something to do it in. It's just not working. Okay, we'll have to do this the old-fashioned way. We'll take the top off and blow into the thing. We'll see how that works. Okay, here we go. Boy, that's tiring trying to get all this liquid through there. It's killing me. We're almost there, everyone. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. That's it. And what we're left with, the mixing of the blue and red solution. We got a little purple potion here. I'm not going to try that since this was a used set, but here it is. I'm sorry for the performance of the kit, but what can you do? The ingredients and stuff are real old in it. Let's see. Trying to gather my thoughts. Sorry, everyone. You would not believe how much I had to blow in here to get the pressure. My cheeks are actually sore. Hold on, let me gather my thoughts. I know this is just dragging on. Okay. On my channel, I did the Dr. Dreffel Drink Lab. You can check it out. Now, the way it works, you have an air pump. But on this set, you have to rely on these Alka-Seltzer-like tab things. So, that's one downside to this set. The pump can just keep on going. You don't have to rely on any chemicals or anything for it to go, but what else can you do? Let me at least take a smell of this stuff and see what it's like all mixed together. Not very good smell. It's like a grape smell, like I said earlier. It has a kind of a children's, like, cough medicine or some sort of scent to it. Not all the Dr. Dreffel products were yummy. I have to admit that. A lot of the ones I tried, they were gross. They didn't taste good at all. So, but I guess that's pretty much all I have to say about this set. Once again, I'm sorry for the fail. If I ever get my hands on a new one again, we'll try it out and see if we get a better reaction out of it. But thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll catch you next time. Later.